If you're somebody who is new to the Forex market and you've been hearing traders refer to price action, or maybe you've been trading for quite some time and you keep hearing the word price action candlesticks, but you have no idea how they look, you have no idea how to place a trade, or even where to find them at on your price chart, this video is going to be for you. Welcome everybody, my name is Shaquan and I am the trading educator here at SLFX Trading, and I help new and struggling, also busy traders simplify the Forex market, and I am also a Forex coach to other coaches. So you're here because someone mentioned price action to you and you wanted to know what it is, or maybe you've been trading for some time, you see price action candlesticks on your price chart, but you just have no idea what to do with them. You probably have no idea how to enter the trade once you see them. Maybe you find yourself being stuck. And if that's you, I am going to be teaching you guys 4 candlesticks that you can begin trading today on your own. So let's start with the word price action. You guys, price action, simply put, is the basic movement or the visible movement on the price chart. But when you think about what price action candlesticks are what you see as far as the visible movements, and it represents price. What is price doing? Where is price going? And at what exchange rate has price been at for the day? How high did it push? How low did it push? And what exchange rate did it close on per time frame? So what I'm going to be teaching you guys today in this quick video are 4 price action candlesticks that repeat themselves the most. The very first one that we're going to be looking at is called the rejection candle. Now, this rejection candle I like to refer to as the hammer or the inverted hammer. Now, most people may call these candles shooting stars, morning stars, evening stars, all the stars in the world, right? However, it's really important to understand that these candles have the same definition. They're going to stop price and make price go the opposite direction once you see these candles. And it's important to understand that the candle color doesn't matter. It's more so the definition, the fact that it stops price and make it go the opposite direction. That's what you want to focus on with this particular candle. Now, the hammer has a long wick at the bottom, is that black line, and its candle body is towards the top. Now, the inverted hammer has a long wick at the top and it closes towards the bottom. Either way, these 2 candles do the same thing, whether they're located at a top peak or a bottom peak. And the top peaks and bottom peaks that I am referring to are called higher highs, higher lows, lower highs. And these are what shows price fluctuating, the visible movement, price action on your price charts. So let's go ahead and let's go to the next one. The next candle we're going to be talking about is called the engulfing candle. What does the word engulfing mean? Engulfing means that it's bigger than the previous, or it covers the previous. So if you think about an engulfing candle, it's a candle that is bigger than the previous candle. Now, the color of this candle does matter because the characteristic of the candle is in the name. Bearish, which means red, which means sell. Bullish, which means green, which means to buy. So when you see a bullish engulfing candle at a lower peak via the lower low or the higher low, it means that price wants to go up. If you see a bearish engulfing candle at a top peak via the higher high or the lower high, it means that price wants to go down. So as long as you understand that the definition of the candle still is it stops price and moves it opposite, you're going to be good to go. The next candle that we're going to be talking about is the spinning top or the spinning bottom, aka what is known as the Harami candle. Now, I like to think of this candle as the spin the bottle game. And if you think about the spin the bottle game, well, what was significant about the bottle? The bottle was placed in between an equal amount of boys and girls. So think of the bottle as that. And whenever they spent the bottle, it confirmed where price wanted to go, or who you needed to go to, or the direction of the person you need to go off with. So think about the spinning top or the spinning bottom as that. Now, the direction of that candle is in the name. Spinning top means that that candle is at a top peak via a higher high or a lower high. Spinning bottom means that that candle is at a bottom peak via the lower low or the higher low. So the candle looks like a candle body in the middle of 2 equal wicks. You have an equal wick on top, equal wick on the bottom. Now, does a candle color matter? No, not really, but it may matter to you. So try to locate those on your price charts. The last but not least candle that we're going to be talking about is the Doji confirmation candle. Now, when you think about a Doji candle, think about a candle that is indecisive. And all that means is it's a candle that looks like different variations of a cross. It means that the buyers push price up, the sellers push price down, but no one took control of the day. You can't really tell the direction based on the one candle alone. So the next candle is said to confirm where price is typically going to be ready to go. Some people do this by candle color. Doji candle color doesn't matter because it doesn't show direction. But if you have a Doji and then a red candle, well, then that means that price is going to get ready to go down. But what if you have a Doji in the green candle? Most people say that, well, price is going to get ready to go up. Now, the placement of the Doji confirmation candle is important. You either want to see this at a top peak via a higher high or a lower high, or via a bottom peak at a lower low or a higher low. Now, I like to say that Doji plus one of the three candles that I just mentioned above, either a rejection candle, an engulfing candle, or a spinning top or a spinning bottom. So those are the 4 candles that I teach on every single week because they repeat themselves the most at these peaks, the high peaks, the bottom peaks that I have been referring to. So I'm going to give you guys some homework to do. I want you guys to start to locate these on your price charts and tell me, what do you see? Do you see any of these candles that I mentioned in this video? And if so, what candle did you notice prints the most? Not going to give you guys the answers here, but I guarantee you that once you see it on your price chart, you're going to be like, whoa, these 4 candles do repeat themselves. Now, in the Swing Trading Society, where I coach every single week, traders who want to come to become independent traders, you guys, we are doing a supply and demand series where I am going to be teaching traders these 4 candles, where to find them at, how to use them for entries and exits, but how to turn these 4 candles into structure. The candle alone becomes your structure, and how to place accurate buys, accurate sells, how to understand where to enter and exit the trade, and understand who has control within your currency pair. If you'd like to join the Swing Trading Society, you guys, you can come in. We meet twice a week, Sundays and Wednesdays, and you can come in and join us too. It is a monthly fee of $69.99. And so if this is something you're looking for, a group of traders where you can come and you can network and you can get, hey, access to me, you guys. You get access to me to ask me questions, get help with your chart markups, understand when the market can go a week ahead, and get an actual teaching class every single Wednesday. And you get to back test with me. And if you never back tested before, this is going to be a gem for you. Then I invite you to come and join us in the Swing Trading Society. So I will see you guys in the next video. You guys be blessed.